Boy, they did tell we still in a training school. Then they tell we. Then say somehow we are gonna go jail. Then say somehow we are gonna dead. Then say somehow we are gonna left it work and do something different. Yours truly. By the way, I'm not proud of me people. Look from I'm not proud of me. I'm not proud of me. Look upon everything when I go through people and me use my camera and survive and thrive. Blouse and skirt. Me not sorry for Maitland, none at all. Even though I'm trained, me not sorry for him, none at all, brother. If I even say, if you and a girl catch up in a things, you're par with the hypeest artists them. And you're police, brother. You basically can't get any woman where you want, my lad. Well, I don't know how you see that video still. I don't know if they still smuggle self. What me I talk about? Of course, they still smuggle cell phone around herself. But beside the point, me not sorry for him. Not one bit. Me not feel not even 1 ounce of remorse. Me I tell you God truth. You see me? You have you. You want to take care of yourself? I'm not sorry for him. But boy, rough. Blouse and skirt rough. But then again, people, there's one strange thing about it. You see, and that's why I remember telling this. That's why I can't really listen to the public. When I can't really listen to what the public has said. Because now, the JCF has said, or the district constable don't have nothing to do with the case. It's like they exclude her from it. Totally. So, the story where the outer road is like, it changed now. So, we can't even say, because at the initial stages, they never showed. Like, so, why the motive? Well, then again, you see, it confusing the people because me at yo. Hold on, I link the bridge and I make you tell them about a movie scene. Because a movie would do that now, people. No follow up there. Eh? No, man, no, live, brother, man. No, no, put up on no, I talk to me long time people and I know me from me a 5-0. That's a whole reason about the Maitland thing. No, I'm just a record of video, bossy.
Oh, okay.
What you say? Give me a minute, people.
Tuesday I talk to people.
Some of them me talk to.
Live. Alright. So, it's scene that we are going to do. One scene when she go in a pharmacy go buy the pregnancy test. Then we are going to do the scene when the man Alton meet after them rendezvous with the man and girlfriend. So, at the first time I see him after that.
Hold on. Let me get this straight in my head. So, run with the first scene by me again.
The first scene is just a scene when she go in at the pharmacy go buy the pregnancy
test by herself.
So if you can get to go in at the pharmacy, you're going to go shoot him. If you can't shoot him, you just catch him go in and come back out.
Alright, good?
Yes.
So that not require no conversation?
No.
Alright, next scene?
Then the next scene will not require no conversation again. We want him and Alton go up on the beach. So we meet up rendezvous.
You're sure so you don't want a conversation on the beach?
Yeah, because we need time. So if they can get conversation, no problem.
I thought about them admire each other.
Yeah, or the conversation can be, she don't want in friend to find, hopefully in friend to find out because them such a good friend. You know what I say? And then Alton says, she nah, I'll find out, man, we are worried about, man, Then two of them go swim in the water, whatever.
Alright, cool. So
and
ready
then
up now?
And then no.
One other scene?
Three. One other scene is the first time they see each other after the threesome. So it's 3 scenes.
So why them a link up though? So talking not that when they link up after the threesome.
So, yeah, they meet, buck up on each other.
After the threesome?
Yeah, so it just happen that they buck up.
So the buck up now make them start do it over.
Right.
Okay.
So then go up on the beach and then whatever. So when they come back, you know, I shoot and see when she come my yard, can link Alton too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Alright, cool. Ready up now, no?
So you can't get as much time out as we get. Come on, yard. Alton, ready?
Alright, so yeah, people, we can't bother with the corruption and every minute you have to look back ahead if your co-worker try to set you up and it better me do filming man. At least the salary me I collect from it is equivalent to that of an inspector of police. So thank God. I'm thankful for the support and encouragement one always give me. Thank you. But as me I say, people, is that just a sad situation and if you think about it and think about all of the factors them were involved. You're rough. Me not even can say nothing about it more than for just lend a word of advice to my squad them and say, lend a little word of advice to the squad them are still in our work. We not have to corrupt. You see me? Me understand so underpaid, me understand say JCF treating like garbage. But You don't have to just know. You don't have to just be man and make some serious decision when I go do in life. You can't coward man and make them tell themselves when you left it work like you know I go suffer after that. Yes, when you left it work it might difficult. Yes, we get up back off your foot. So that's why I know if you live good with people out the road. You see me? Me tell you a story. Tell you a story. One time I did a quote in people and one taxi man did get charged. I must see some warranty coming from Zane. And me I lead the taxi man going to the courtroom. As me and they insist so I must lay a whole line. So that when I kind of jape them up. So I say, alright, standard procedure. Yeah. So you get him and you lay a whole line. But on the flip side now, one lawyer now if you go in a courtroom and me I lay a whole line. You see me? And then they must say, oh, no, not lay a whole line. Let him go and me walk him. Alright. You see me? And at the end of the day, if he run away, I mean, no problem. And me say that for say, the thing just, it corrupt. Even when you try to do the right, it hard. And it's stress out. It's stress out. That's all me can say. That's all me can say. You God know. But me not sorry for Maitland. Me not sorry for him. None at all a blouse and skirt. But squaddy, yeah man sir. For you like police them when I work and thing. How about that corrupt? You see when I some higher rank I do some things like they arrest a man out there and I tell you say yo you forgot charge him. I wanna check it out, they no write no entry in the diary and they don't want to give no statement and tell us if you fix that. I saw they take time lead, you know. You know the corruption and make you feel like so you can get to all of the little nasty behavior them and thing. But I will see how it go. You see me? Because being charged no mean say you're convicted or you go to jail. So make me see how I go on because for here see how the young lady district constable now have nothing to do with it now that I want like a bombshell that to me that's strange. So it's like the whole story twist up now. You see me? But I will see what I go on. I will see what I go on. In the meantime, I go on and I film them. Check out the video them on the channel. Go and check out the video them on the channel. But probably, if I get enough resources, I probably try recreate the foolishness where I did involve. You know the little cougar inspector where make my life hell just because I never want to sleep there? Yeah man. You tell her that story they can do? Probably me have to go make you play the inspector. No, but you can't be Rasta.
Why?
No, one inspector did there in a JCF man. She want my body and me no want to give her it. One piece of rotted.
Oh.
Yeah man, one piece of rotted. But anyways people, big up on yourself, keep safe. Might sound like my dad blah blah while ago, but yeah, one of them things so yeah. Yeah, go to the team. I'm a big boy there.
I go to now.
I don't know. So I must carry on up and come back? Anyways, subscribe to the channel and tell me, give me some resources. Watch up the channel, watch up a video them and share them. Let me see if I can recreate that situation there. Because would I forgot tailor to make them tailor some inspector suit and police suit them. May I forget people and I learn something there. May I have to do some writing to make sure so everything. Because I still have my diary them from the JCF. I don't dash or nothing. So yeah. Pick up on yourself and a little more. God.